Hello and welcome to my channel, Retro Rides Rendezvous. My name is Larry, and today we're going to change up the carburetor on Eric's 1939 Cadillac. This is a Pontiac engine with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor on it, but it was bogging down, felt like a gas issue. We checked the fuel filter, but everything was good, so we decided must be some internal issue with the carburetor, like accelerator pump or plug jets or something like that. So we decided to swap it out. Here you see us disconnecting the linkages and the fuel line and the vacuum lines from the existing carburetor. Specifically, the things we had to disconnect was the throttle cable, the kickdown linkage for the transmission, 4 vacuum lines, the fuel line, and the electric choke.
Was good. He opened this up and he was like, yeah, the filter looks great. It looks clean. There's no problem there. Alright. Got a couple holes here.
You took that hose off the front, right?
What's that?
You took the hose off the front, right? You did this?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I heard I did that. Okay, good.
Otherwise, that would be a problem over there.
Yeah, alright. That one's good. Everything's off, huh? Yeah, everything's off.
Then there's 4 nuts that hold the carburetor onto the manifold. In this particular installation, there's studs that go into the manifold, and they're pretty long. It causes an issue with the rear nuts hitting the carburetor on the way out and the way in. Here's the new carburetor with the old carburetor. We're taking off some of the fittings and linkage parts that are on the old carburetor so we can swap them to the new one.
Yeah. Right. So.
And here we are installing the new carburetor. Just kind of a backwards fashion. The 4 nuts go on, and the linkages and the vacuum hoses attach and hook up the electric choke.
Just a cage.
Is the accelerator?
Yeah, just hit the gas pedal. Ah, we're good.
Yeah, it was fine.
That's fine. Yep. Okay. So we got everything on, right? The kickdown's on, the spring's on, the lights on, this is on. There's no exposed vacuum. This is on. This is done. Just got a mechanical. Okay, so just crank it without hitting the accelerator so it fills the bowls.